work fi be done. Me no soldier with gun, me rebel with drum. Peace me banner, love me creed, freedom me seed. Them say me too soft fi fight, but me shine light. Me conquer hate with grace, face to face. Them build empire fi greed, me soar good deed. Me chant revolution pure, me stand secure. Me no need no weapon load, me move proud. Every lyric a bullet clean, cut through mean. Them can't jail me too and me stand alone. Peace warrior me be spirit free. Rebel of peace, stand up strong, right the wrong. Rebel of peace, chant your name, no shame. Me walk where hate reside, love me guide, them mock me style and way. Me still pray, each step me taking time, truth me rhyme. Peace no weakness, it's just sweetness. Me fight Babylon with smile, all the while me see hope in every face. Love embrace, no more blood fi spill. Jah will, rebel of peace, me call fi one and all. Me hear the trumpet blow, spirit grow. Peace no silence, it's defiance. Me lift me voice on the hill still. Rebel of peace, stand up strong, right the wrong. Rebel of peace, chant your name, no shame. Rebel of peace, worldwide call, unite we all. Rebel of peace, heart pure, love endure. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Me no war, me no hate, me change the fate. Rebel with peace till the end. One love, me friend.
Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah, man. Yeah. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low, teach me love to grow. Every scar become a flame. Jah rewrite me name. No fear, no shame. Me rise again. Me see the storm pass by. Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong. Me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain. It bring the rain. From the seed of sorrow bloom, new life consume. Hey, rise again. My people rise, lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Me look on the crowd unite, me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul, make me whole. Me chant for the broken, words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around, Jah teach we how to mend. Till the very end, from the ashes grow. Blessing overflow. Jah never leave we side, faith be the guide. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the sky. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn it begin. Me rise again. So when the night returns, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends.
Big spliff and coconut, yeah man. Hey, oh yeah, oh yeah. Under the rising sun, me pray for better youth and brighter day. Jah light guide every soul, unity the goal. Me walk through the street, me see the pain. People tired of Babylon chain. Me chant a song for the youth, them strong. Jah lead them where them belong. Me see the roots start grow again. Love wash away the sin. Every heartbeat, same time. Jah rhythm so divine. Me feel the breeze of ancient song. Remind me where we belong. No matter color, creed or place, I'll share Jah grace. Me plant the seed, me nurture peace, till hate and greed release. Every voice become a drum, till redemption come. Big roots of tomorrow grow, plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Me see the youths, them stand and smile. Strength and hope for every mile. Them eyes reflect the future clear. No more pain, no fear. Me chant for justice, me chant for truth. Jah wisdom bless the youth. Me hold the torch for the next one till the healing done. Roots musician beat the drum. Better days soon come. Freedom spirit start to bloom. No more doom. Me plant the tree of love, me know. It grow where rivers flow. No system can erase the roots of Jah grace. Yeah. Roots of tomorrow grow. Plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. So when the storm try break the ground, remember our root sound. Deep in earth, them never die. Jah keep them high.
Aye, aye, aye. One love, one people, yeah man. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start fi roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry joy inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me hymn for change. The whole world rearrange. Oh, me see the struggle still remain, but love will raise the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my oath, no silver, no gold. Me need only Jah my creed. My heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Roots revival rise. See the fire in our eyes. Jah is the ancient and deep. My soul Jah keep. Roots revival strong. Chant whisper say, remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here, drum echo from the ground. Revolution sound. Me see the youths awake and proud. Me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more. We open door. Roots revive. The time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jamaica we hold. Roots revive, alright. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul Jah keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me the Panja highway, whining on me face. Traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane. Carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall. Them try fi pull me off the road. Me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant. Faith abundant. Me see the signs all overhead. So me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride. Just truth inside me. Try to star me, try to flame. Still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care. Cause Jah they everywhere. Panja highway me trod. Guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight. Me follow the light. Panja highway me roll. Clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the one still lost. Them pay the cost, me stop and share a song. Help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire, every mile me bless. No stress, me look on the horizon red. Hope ahead, me feel Jah breeze embrace. Peaceful place, me drive through life with grace. No ace, me leave behind the fear. Me draw Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow. Me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day. To Zion way, Panja highway me trod. Guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight. Me follow the light. Panja highway me roll. Clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. So when me journey end, me meet me friend. Panja highway me remain free from pain.
Na ganja and Rasta man reggae yeah, man. Me hear the river call me name. Wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong. Carry me soul along. Me walk through valley low. Still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy on my chest. Jah give me rest. The current let me home. No man walk alone. Every drop of memory, freedom, energy. Me see the children play by shore. Laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze. Set my spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down. Me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace. Peace upon my face. River of freedom flow.
Freedom flow.
Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea. That spirit set we free. River of freedom strong. Guide we journey long. Every heart must find. Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear. Truth conquer fear. Me wash me sorrow clean. New life me dream. Each ripple sing a song where we all belong. Me dive into the stream of light. Darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew. Just shine through. Me chant for every nation. Pure salvation. River deep and wise. Mirror the skies. Jah call me near. No more fear. Yeah. River of freedom flow. Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea. That spirit set we free. River of freedom strong. Guide we journey long. Every heart must find. Jah peace divine. Yeah. When me reach the ocean wide, me rest by Jah's side. River flow eternally, set our spirit free. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ay, 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 ganja, and meditate your man. The morning sun, I blaze my skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heartbeat come and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look upon the world today. So much lost along the way. Me chant fi heal the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry, but Jah still near. Me wipe away the tears. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light, with a Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. Me sit beneath the banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand. Jah hold me on. The world spin fast, me spirit slow. Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea.
The truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace, till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide. Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, me call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear, forever near. With Jah love eternal flame, forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn bright, guided by Jah